Welcome back to Cyberflux, where we decode the digital world one byte at a time. If you're watching this, you're probably wondering, what's the best programming language to learn in 2025? Maybe you're a beginner itching to build your first app, or a seasoned coder looking to level up your skills. Well, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the coding universe to uncover the one language you need to master this year. Spoiler alert, it's not what you think, or maybe it is. Let's find out. Here's the deal. The tech world moves fast. Like really fast. What was hot in 2020 might be yesterday's news in 2025. So to pick the best language, we're looking at three things: versatility, demand, and future-proofing. Because let's face it, you don't want to spend months learning something only to find out it's obsolete by the time you're done. So let's break it down and crown the king or queen of coding for 2025. First up, let's meet the heavy hitters. You've got Python, smooth, readable, and basically the Swiss Army knife of programming. Then there's JavaScript, the undisputed ruler of the web. Rust is flexing its muscles with insane performance and safety. And don't sleep on Go, Google's brainchild that's quietly taking over cloud computing. These are the languages people are buzzing about. But which one's going to dominate in 2025? Stick around, because we're about to find out. Let's start with Python. If programming languages were superheroes, Python would be the one with the most fans. Why? It's stupidly easy to learn. Seriously, you can write a program in 5 minutes that would take hours in other languages. In 2025, Python's still crushing it in AI, machine learning, and data science. Companies like Tesla, Netflix, and even NASA are obsessed with it. Want to build a neural network or analyze a mountain of data? Python's your guy. Plus, its community is massive. Think endless libraries and tutorials. But here's the catch. It's not the fastest kid on the block. If speed's your thing, we'll get to that in a sec. Now let's talk JavaScript. If the internet's a kingdom, JavaScript is the king, queen, and entire royal court. In 2025, over 98% of websites still rely on it for interactivity. Want to build a slick web app or land a front-end dev job? You have to know JavaScript. Frameworks like React and Node.js keep it evolving. And with WebAssembly on the rise, it's creeping into high-performance territory too. The downside, that's a bit chaotic. Debugging can feel like wrestling a Hydra. Still, if you want a skill that's everywhere, JavaScript's your ticket. Okay, here's where it gets spicy. Rust. Heard of it? If not, you will. Rust is like the cool new kid who shows up and steals the show. It's fast, like C++ fast, but without the headaches. In 2025, Rust is exploding because it's memory safe, meaning fewer crashes and bugs. Big players like Microsoft, Amazon, and even Discord are betting on it. Want to build operating systems, game engines, or blockchain tech? Rust is your secret weapon. The learning curve's steep, though. Think of it like learning to ride a unicycle while juggling. Worth it? Oh, absolutely. And then there's Go, or Golang if you're fancy. Born at Google, this language is lean, mean, and built for the cloud. In 2025, with everything moving to microservices and distributed systems, Go's simplicity and speed are turning heads. Kubernetes, Docker, they're all written in Go. If you're eyeing a career in DevOps or backend engineering, this is your golden goose. It's not as versatile as Python or JavaScript, but when it shines, it shines. Oh, and it's got Go routines. Think multitasking on steroids. Cool, right? So we've got Python's versatility, JavaScript's web dominance, Rust's raw power, and Go's cloud cred. But here's the million-dollar question. Which one's the best to learn in 2025? It's Python. Yep, Python takes the crown. Why? It's the ultimate all-rounder. Whether you're into AI, web dev, automation, or just dipping your toes into coding, Python's got your back. Job postings are through the roof. Think 20% growth year over year, and its community keeps it future-proof. But here's the kicker. The best language for you depends on your goals. Want web dev, JavaScript, system-level stuff, Rust, cloud, Go. Python's just the safest bet. Before you bounce, here's how to get started. Step 1. Download Python 3.11. or whatever's latest in 2025. Step 2, hit up free resources like Codecademy or YouTube tutorials. Tons of creators break it down for beginners. Step 3, build something. A calculator, a web scraper, anything. Code's like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. And if you're feeling spicy, pair Python with a second language like JavaScript or Rust later on. You'll be unstoppable. That's it for today's deep dive on Cyberflux. If you love this, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next tech adventure. Until then, keep coding, keep exploring, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cyberflux out.